Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Annie's Magic Wand. Today we are doing interesting activity. For that we need old CD, acrylic paints and brushes. Yes, you guessed it right. We are doing CD art. I have painted CD with white acrylic paint. This will give base to the colors. Now I will use different color strokes. I will create something magical. You have to wait. Let's begin. First I'm doing red, orange and yellow. You have to use flat brush. The base of my scene is ready. But where is the magic? Let's do it. My painting is ready. Isn't it magical? This is my CD art. You can make anything of your choice. You can create sky with red, orange and yellow and paint bottom with shades of green. And then you can draw any picture and create your own magic. See, in second CD I have created rainbow. So do try your own CD art. Bye for now.